Let's do the whisk to the count now. And 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and a 8. And let's do another angle. So we're going to start in this cross position. And 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and a 8. Guys, let's do your steps now. So you're going to start in this cross position, and you're going to go side with the left, back with the right, partial weight, crossing, and then replace on the left, ending up in a Cuban cross position. And again, we go side with the right, and then we're going to go back with the left, cross the foot, and then replace onto the right, getting into Cuban cross. And again, repeat, side, back, replace, and side, back, replace. And we're going to do another angle to the count for you now. And 1 and a 2 and 3, a 4, 5, a 6, 7, a 8. Let's do your footwork, guys. So you're going to go ball flat, ball of the foot, ball flat. So don't put the heel down on the second step. Ball flat, ball of the foot, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat, ball flat. Ladies, let's do your steps for the whisk. You're going to start with the right foot. So you're going to go side with the right foot. Then you're going to go back, partial weight on the left foot, crossing behind, and then replace weight onto the right foot. So you end up in a Cuban cross position. And then you go to the side with the left now, switching weight. Now you go back with the right, crossing behind, partial weight, and then replace weight onto the front leg. And then repeat the same thing again. So you go side, back, replace, and side, back, replace. And let's watch from another angle to the count this time. And a 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4 and 5 and a 6 and 7 and a 8. Let's do your footwork here, ladies, for the whisk. So it's going to be ball flat on the first step, then only the ball of the foot on the second step, and then ball flat. Okay, so don't put the heel down on the second step, ladies. Again, ball flat, and then ball of the foot, and ball flat, and again, ball flat, and ball of the foot, ball flat, and last one, ball flat, ball flat. So the lead and follow in the whisks is very simple, okay? It's just a weight change lead, okay? So that means that we want to keep the arms still. We want to have them in a nice frame. And then it's just about us doing the right technique, okay? Bending and straightening through the knees so the ladies can feel what you're doing and how you're shifting the weight. You can see the arms hardly move, okay? So you want to keep the top very still and do all the activity underneath. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you'd like to get 5 free ballroom dance lessons sent to you, we can send you these 5 lessons completely free. They will teach you some of the most social basic steps. And to get those videos, there's going to be a link somewhere here on the video, or there's going to be a link in the description below. Otherwise, please like and share this video, as well as subscribe to this channel.